Okay, so I'm gonna get this Johnson 6.0. I'm gonna change the oil real quick and get her ready for the summer. So I'm taking the screw off right here, and then I'm gonna take this one right here so it can flow faster. Let's see how she does. There she goes, oozing out. I think it's time that it was like, okay, now I'm taking this one off. Hopefully it comes out fast. Yeah, definitely needed a change. It's all creamy and thick. So as we're watching this pour out, I'm going to show you the Johnson. Very good mortar. I love it. And I got it ready. I haven't started for like a year, and I just did start it earlier. So I put new plugs, new spark plugs right here, brand new. They're perfect. I love them. 2 of them. There we go. The water pump wasn't working earlier either, so I had to disconnect it and it was kind of clogged for sure. So I unclogged it, and this was totally like, it broke the last time we used it. It broke off, so now I put a new one, a new pull string. I'll show you a video next time how to put these on, because I was having difficulty like how to like put it on. But I'll make a video of that. I'm gonna cut this one off and make a thicker one. Okay. Let's see. Still flowing. This is what I'm doing right now. I'm changing the oil on this thing. I'm gonna take her out soon. So gotta just give her some maintenance. And this is the bad girl right here, the one I really like to take out. Okay, so I just connected it right now. It's pretty tight. There we go. So I'm gonna pump this, a few pumps, until it starts oozing out from this hole. And that's where I'm gonna plug it. So let's see. One pump. There we go. Let's give it a few pumps. Should be coming anytime soon. There we go. There we are. By the way, I put 80W90 on this one for the gears. There we go, a few more pumps. Takes quite a bit. There we go, come on. Another more pumps, come on. There we go. Oh, there we are. See how it's coming out? All right, now let's put this. I'm putting a few pumps. And there we are. There we go. All right, that looks more like it. All right, so let's put this one in there. There we go. I'm gonna use my skate tool. Here's what this is. Skateboarding tool. Get a road tie right there. There we are. Alright, so now I'm just gonna kind of clean this off right here. Clean it up. Okay. There we are. So this one's gonna be a little tricky because once we unplug it, it's gonna start draining out real quick. So let's see. There we go. Put this in there. I don't know if you guys can see. There we go. There we go. All right, I just plugged it. My phone had died. So we plugged it. Now I'm gonna fill this up with water and turn it on for you guys. Here we are. We're just filling it up a little bit. So it touches that. Oh, I can't even show you that. And then tag it up. You see what it sounds like. It just sounds a little different. A little bit more smoother. Okay, we got it on. We'll plug our fuel lines right now. This way. There we go. Give it a few squeezes. Alright, we're good. And then open up the throttle. See what it sounds like. Give it a few. There we go, let's see. Close. There we go. That it's